Hello guys and welcome back to Cheesy Techie Videos. I didn't make a video for a very long time, so my school holiday is coming soon. So today we are going to make our own DIY USB extension from male to female, and I'm going to show you how to do it using some soldering tools and stuff. So let's get into it. Before we get started, so we need a wire that it is a USB compliant. So this one I got from my portable USB drive, external hard disk, which it has some kind of problem, so I just replace the cable. Then I can use this. Then I have no use for this wire, so I can use this I can repurpose this and also a female USB A plug for our make our USB extension wire thing. As you can see, this is the end product, but this end product for this is gonna be like quite short so yeah. And also solder lead wire, and also portable box cutter knife, scissors, usual scissors, electrical tape, and a sponge for our soldering tool, or remove excess solder and something like that. And also a soldering iron. This is going to be a soldering job. I think the previous video is, the dash cam, it has this doing soldering, so I don't think so. Yeah. And also the number one important thing is, because I don't have the right, I don't have my right side because it's gone. I think it's obliterated. It doesn't it's torn. Okay. And okay, so also where I got this USB A female plug. You can pick this up from any electronics one. You can buy online. I will link in the description if I can able to do so. And also you can harvest from those motherboards and stuff, or like those digital TV control boxes and stuff. Also you can harvest one of those. And also you need to take photo one of your wires, your male one, before you gonna do this, before you solder it, so that you know where to solder on, so that you do not put the wrong place. If you put the wrong place, then GG to you. So let's stop rambling and start working. Okay, let's start doing it. But first thing first, we are going to strip the wires.
Come in, I could seat you by the fire. Listen, there's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer, as you look into my eyes. Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away
So I forgot one thing, and I've done stripping the wires. So this is my DIY helping hand, which consists of all fluorescent ballast and bunch of paper binders and thing, and bunch of screws. And I'm going, and also I forgot to put this is a soldering flux. This is the soldering flux. So you can see this. Actually, it looks like some kind of medicine thing for your face or something, but it's not. It's for make your soldering. Your solder goes to the thing easier. So I'm going to use for this. I'm going to use cotton buds. Okay, I have done soldering this one, as you can see, but the what is this? This is a positive sign, I guess. Yeah, that's a positive sign. Yeah, the positive wire, I don't bother to connect it because too tight. It is too difficult for me. So the main attraction is going to be my Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Hopefully it gonna works. If it doesn't work, then it means that means I will make this complete a fail. Hopefully it works right now. And nope, it doesn't work. Hey, it works. Yes, it works. You can see. You see the charge sign? It works, man. It works. So, this is success, man. But even though I don't even need a what you call that? Data positive one. Oh, it works. So, let's start wrapping this up. So for now, I have done wrapping up the male USB connector part, and let's see, does it work? I plug in my to my USB laptop stand. So let's turn it on. And as you can see, it works. So but for the laptop stand, right, I did some a bit modifications. as you can see, let me just grab my thing a second, and hopefully my. And as you can see, I modify my laptop stand a bit. I soldered the wire onto the logic board onto it. It's just a cheap ass thing. Don't have a bunch of controller and doesn't have a bunch of IC chip and stuff. And I do it off camera. I didn't make a video. I didn't make a video about this because I don't. It's just a minor thing. So currently I editing this video for the DIY USB extender. This is the currently the end of my DIY laptop USB extender. As for the part where I say about the next one after I have tested on my J7 Pro using the micro USB wire that I use. It's a genuine Sony one. As for the iPhone USB cable thing, right? It doesn't work. I want to try to open the USB A connector. The USB A the connector is shaped with those metal shell thing. I want to replace out, but unfortunately I can't, and to me it's not worth it. It's not really worth harvest and repairing it. It's not worth it. And the only good thing about this USB thing, right, is the lightning to from the micro USB to lightning cable I can use to charge my iPhone. As you currently see this video, I'm recording through my iPhone 7 Plus. So that is it. This is the finished part. This is the end product, and this is quite short. As you can see, I use the USB 3.0. As you can see, the blue shape color, and because the USB 3.0 has a different, have extra pins and stuff, right? But I can tell you, I'm not gonna use these extra pins and extra wires for USB 3.0 because for this laptop stand is just a regular USB 2.0. It has those four wires that includes your red for 5 volts and white for white wire for negative data, and green for data positive, and black wire for ground. And that is it for this DIY USB extender. This is the short one which I got from my hard disk. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, remember to consider subscribing, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember to follow my new TikTok account, which is linked in the video description. That's it for this video, and I catch you guys next time. Bye.
God, you can call me killer as you look